So this one here, tell me about this stone. This is natural stone?
Absolutely, quarried out of China actually.
Oh really?
So it's a Chinese raw material. We have the blocks processed in Italy though.
Yeah, right. So they ship it to Italy as blocks, then slice it up.
Yeah. We find that we can process all types of materials to a better quality, but that's just something probably more relevant to me. I just like the way my Italian factory does things.
No control freak nature in there for you at all.
No,
not at all.
No, they also let me do things with finishes, like getting textured finishes and playing. So if the blocks are in Italy, when I'm there, I can actually test and trial and do a little bit of research on how different materials behave when we put acid on them, when we water jet blast them, when we brush them. So it's a soft material, something you'd use in the more lower traffic or low impact areas.
Yes, there's nothing low impact about the design.
No.
Well, I say the design, how nature has designed it. How would it go as a kitchen bench?
We've actually done a kitchen bench with this material. The only issue with marbles on a kitchen bench top is usually the acid etching.
Absolutely, the lemon juice, make the gin and tonic, and you've got a ring where you spilt the lemon.
If it's honed, look, that reaction still happens, but you just don't notice it.
Yeah. And did Laminum do anything like this yet to this sort of extent of pattern?
They are working on a few new things.
Yeah, right.
That I've had a sneak peek in April, including some travertine looking stuff. And some of the releases from the Milan show in April are very similar to this.
Yeah, right. So then the practicality level goes
that's right,
straight through the roof. It's fantastic.
That's right.
Awesome. That's beautiful stone.